In this video we will look at how to enable root SSH login in Ubuntu Server 24. So steps we need to follow: first we need to enable the root account, and then we need to configure the SSH server to allow root SSH login. So here in this Ubuntu server, I right now don't have root account enabled, so first I will log into this user account called user1, and this user have sudo privileges, and you have to log into a user account with sudo privileges. And then we will run the command sudo -i to switch to the root account, and this is how you switch to the root account without enabling the root account using the sudo -i command. And then we will authenticate using the user1's password. So now we are inside the root account, and now we can permanently enable the root account by assigning a password, and for that run the command passwd, and then we will create a new password for the root account. So password updated successfully mean now the root account is activated, and also mean now we can directly log into this computer using the root account. But we can't still SSH into this one because of the SSH configuration, so we have to configure that as well. So we will cd into etc ssh directory, and here you will find a file called sshd_config, and this one, and we have to edit this file and make sure to edit this one, not this one. SSH config is for the client, and for the server we need to edit sshd config. So we will edit that file now, and the line we want to find is this one, PermitRootLogin, and right now it is commented out, so we will first remove the comment, and then we will change the value to yes. Save the file and then restart the SSH server using the command systemctl restart SSH, and also check the server status to make sure that we did not make any mistake in the configuration file. So everything is working, so now we should be able to SSH into this Ubuntu server using the root account. So let's try that now. So that's how we enable SSH root login in Ubuntu Server 24.